Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a quick drawing hack. So if you do not know how to draw or you don't feel super confident drawing and you would like to create a really professional looking watercolor painting, then this trick is for you. Or perhaps you just want to do something that's really complex and would take a really long time to draw freehand. You can use this trick as well. So if you'd like to find out how to do it, then keep on watching. Hey guys, today I am going to do another quick video showing you a great way to produce a really nice drawing even if you are not confident at drawing yet. I am using my studio tracing paper, just something I got from Staples. This is my tracing paper, and then I've printed off some photos and just put them onto one page, and we're just going to trace the photo and get a really nice drawing that way. There's nothing wrong with tracing if you are not confident with your drawing skills yet, and then you can transfer this to watercolor and paint it. Going to start with this tree frog. I actually took this picture of this frog out in my garden this summer. And I'm starting with the outline. And oftentimes I will just trace to do it quicker and get the shape really exact, and then I'll fill in the exact details on my own without tracing paper, so you could do that too if you wanted. And another way to see through this paper easier is to actually tape it onto the window with the paper underneath if you don't have a light box, and then the light shining through the back makes it really easy to see. Now that I have my basic lines, I'm just going to take this off and actually look at what my drawing looks like. I'm just going to flip my tracing pad over and put this on top of here so I'm not drawing right on my table. And see how this looks. So now that I have the tracing paper taken off, I can see a little bit more detail here I'm going to add in. Details of the eye. This is the nostril. That's pretty much it for this little frog. Another thing you could do is actually lightly draw in where there are some reflections and highlights on the frog with sort of a lighter line. You may not be able to see that very well, but that will give me an indicator of when I'm painting of where I want to leave a nice reflection and highlight. Okay, so I think that's good for my drawing. And I could do the same thing again with all of these other drawings, and I'm going to do that in a later video. And so this is a great way to get a really nice drawing and not have to worry too much about erasing or fiddling around with proportions. Next week in my quick tick video, I'm going to show you how I transfer my drawing right onto watercolor paper.